Thank you for returning to our channel. We really appreciate the loyalty. The topic today is going to be about a subject that many of us can relate to today: getting a loan when your credit isn't the best, or at least trying to get one. This video is for you and your friends who have ever been in a tough circumstance when you needed money fast but felt like you had no other options. We are aware of the helpless experience of repeatedly being turned down by conventional lenders, including your regular banks and government institutions. The good news is that there are options available which do a completely similar and in fact better job. The name is tribal loans. These loans can give people with poor credit a second chance at life. These loans are made to provide easy access to money when you need it most, regardless of your credit background. This video shall cover some of the trusted and reputed sources and bodies lending the top tribal loans with easier APRs and fast money deposits. We shall also compare their products, interest rates, and application procedures so you don't have to do anything and just sit back while we take on a course of action that best meets your budgetary requirements. 1. Jungle Finance. Our best choice for the loan is tribal lender Jungle Finance. They provide loans in the $500 - $5,000 range. Their APRs range from 200% to 800%. This rate of return is typically higher than your regular loans, but their credit conditions are more relaxed. Many borrowers at Jungle Finance receive their monies within one business day. The company's reputation thus is prime for quick approval processes. The process of applying for this loan here shall only require you to submit certain basic financial and personal information that you also do while applying to banks. A copy of your driver's license or another form of official identification will also be needed to prove your legal identity. The money is all yours within hours of loan approval. 2. Hard paydays. Here comes our another favorite tribal loan lender that focuses on loans for people with bad credit: hard paydays. The company provides loans in the $100 - $1,000 range and has annual percentage rates, APRs, majorly taking shapes between 200% to 800%. Hard paydays is famous for its quick and simple application process. Their lend loan amounts are comparatively smaller, but the services available with them are unmatched. Just like any other lender, they also require you to prove your identity through some legal documents, including the option of proof of income and a copy of your driver's license or other government-issued ID. 3. 50K loans. There is a popular option of tribal lender called 50K, which definitely suits to all first-timers owing to their fast access and easy availability. They provide loans with amounts ranging from $1,000 to $50,000. The annual percentage rates, APRs, of this company range from 100% to 500%. The number may seem higher, but with the speedy transaction, they cover their high-priced worth. The company is commonly reached out for their accommodating repayment periods and ability to work with consumers who have poor credit. The verification process of this company is also very similar, where they ask for your personal details such as your name, address, phone number, email address, and bank account details in order to apply for a loan with 50K loans. They could also need verification of your income together with a copy of your driver's license or other official identification. You should anticipate to get your funds within one business day once your application is approved. 4. Loan Raptor. Tribal lender Loan Raptor provides loans in the $100 - $1,500 range. Even though their annual percentage rates, APRs, range from 200% to 800%, they are renowned for their quick approval procedure and readiness to work with low credit applicants. With loan lengths ranging from 7 to 30 days, Loan Raptor is renowned for its flexible payback terms as well. Your loan application will be passed through steps and finalized within simple days. The required documents here are also very simple to provide without any credit score eligibility. Bank account details that you shall request your loan in are important to be of personal access only. You should anticipate to get your funds within one business day once your application is approved. 5. 24M loans. For our final suggestion, we have 24M loans providers that have some of the best tribal loan lending services for people with bad or no credit history. Loans with values between $100 and $2,500 are awarded in no time here. They are famous for their quick approval procedure and readiness to work with low credit applicants, but their annual percentage rates, APRs, range from 200% to 800%, which can be a little higher for some people. Another well-known feature of 24M loans is their variable payback terms. You can pick your payment duration going from week to month. Conclusion: that's what this video was all about. Tribal lenders, according to us, can be a genuinely beneficial choice for people with poor credit, but before you sign on the dotted line, make sure you completely understand the terms of any loan. Take a careful analysis of your income round or compared with the April repayment terms to make a wise decision. Always use good judgment when taking out loans, and only accept offers that you can actually afford to pay back. To find similar videos and suggestive content, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update.